In this lesson, we will talk about basic letter format. Now, all letters start with a date. So, if I type a month, hit the space bar and it offers the autocomplete. Hit enter and accept that. Now, I hit enter again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in this part, I start my salutation. So, I will type dear sirs or whatever the salutation may be. And I hit enter twice, 1, 2, and now I'm going to actually start on my letter. So I'm just going to simply type in the code RAND stands for random. That will put in 3 paragraphs, 3 lines apiece. Hit enter. Alright, now I'm going to finish up the closing. So sincerely, now if you type it wrong, you are going to have a typo, and to correct the typo, just simply right click and choose the correct spelling. There we go. And hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. This is your basic layout of a letter. Now let's get a little more formal about this letter. If this is basically a casual business letter, I'm going to indent every single paragraph. So I will click at the font of the first paragraph and I will press Tab on my keyboard. Tab will give us a nice half inch. Now I'm going to repeat that and do the same thing for the next 2 paragraphs. There we go. And now we are going to talk about paragraph spacing. Now on my document and by every default document in 2016, they automatically put spacing in there. And that's fine because it helps the eye travel from paragraph to paragraph. It's easier to read when you have spacing. But I'm gonna go ahead and select these 3 paragraphs, and right up here in the paragraph section, we have an option right here. This is line and paragraph spacing. So you can choose whether you want to add more space between the paragraphs or remove the space. Now, if you remove the space, basically those paragraphs are slammed together. There is no real extra space between them, and you would manually do that by clicking at the end of paragraph and pressing enter on the keyboard just once to force some space in there. It is your personal preference to wanna leave it the way Word already does it, or do you wanna take control and do it your own way? That is simply up to you. Now the next thing I wanna talk about is what should actually say in your letter. Well, it all depends on what your letter is, but if you are going to have a hard time coming up with an idea of what to say, let me introduce to the file ribbon. On the file ribbon, when I click that, the second option down says New. New is full of pre-formatted templates. Just double click to choose that particular one. Okay, when I click it here, it says Dear recipient name and it is asking me to enter all this information here. And you can just fill in that and your letter will be ready. And it has a nicely formatted letter for you already with all the nice words. You can change the name on here if you want. It's excellent and it's under file new. Please use those. Don't reinvent the wheel. If you don't know what to say, go in there and dig around. There are some very professional letters in there that will help you out. Alright, have fun with that. It's a pretty awesome thing to know. Thank you.